Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. No, I'm not doing it. Yes, I'm going to do it. So my friend sent me this one and said to react to it. It's a blind reaction. I never, which is all my reactions anyway. They are blind. They are blind reactions. So this one is Scammer Rage Leads to Scammer Tears. So this one is from the Scammer Payback channel on YouTube. So I'm gonna leave a link to the video itself down in the description. So make sure you go and check out the channel. So let's jump in this one and see what these boys are up to. Let's go. I don't know.
Every scammer's boiling.
Now listen.
They're triggered, and we're gonna push them until they rage.
I'm talking to my publisher's clearinghouse rep.
Listen now, you need to hang up that call.
Alright, tell me what's different about these scammers.
I would say the main difference about the scammers is they're not from India. They're from Jamaica.
This is a payment for his college bonds or something like that.
What language is he cussing you out in?
Patois.
Do you know?
I think it's patois. I don't know fully.
Yeah, you're right.
I know one word, and that's because Cena told me.
No. Cena!
Which word you know? Let me guess. Which?
Cena.
Bumbleclad.
What's
Bet
the
it has
word
to
that
be.
the scammer called me?
Come here.
Bumbleclad. Best it has to be Bumbleclad.
Bumbleclats! Bumbleclats! Directly translates to mother effer.
I don't know.
quite right.
I don't know all the details. He just said you were shipping him money for his school
I
bonds.
white boy.
Okay, so I will send.
Listen,
I've been on the line with this other person.
It's verbal confirmation. When you get them mad and they start yelling at you, you know what you're doing is working. And that's the best feeling.
Beginning of the call.
Have we decided, are we gonna do?
Is this the FTC?
Pardon?
You had me go get the cash out. Where am I? You said I was supposed to be sending it somewhere?
Yes, right. Where are you located right now?
Oh, I'm in San Diego.
No, I mean, are you home?
Do you not remember talking to me? I've got the parcel and everything ready. I just got out of the bank. You told me to go to the UPS store and to let you know, so that's why I was calling.
Today we're giving you a completely different type of scam. Now these guys are publishers, clearinghouse scammers, and I won't bore you with all the details of how the scam works, but just remember at the end of the day, he's gonna wanna try to take my money. And on top of that, this guy is pretending to be a female and he's using a voice changer, and it sounds ridiculous.
Jeez.
Is there a Wells Fargo that's close to you at this time?
A Wells Fargo?
Yes, would you be able to find one?
Sure, but I don't bank with them. I bank with Chase.
Just
Bro, if you're gonna do that, at least make the voice sound convincing. At least. That's the least you can do, bro. Make it sound convincing. Don't use a male voice with a changer to make it sound like a female voice. Get a female then, whatever. But come on, dog.
speed up the scam bait with this guy. I wanted to make it seem as if I already had a parcel with a bunch of cash in it ready to ship to, let's say, address A, where the scammer A is. He is scammer B, and he wants me to change from address A to B so he can get a big payday. You're gonna hear me talking to myself, pretending to be scammer A, while scammer B, the guy who's actually on the phone, is hearing everything. He thinks it's a three-way conversation, but it's really me just talking to him and pretending to be multiple parties. So I'm doing this to make him paranoid that he's going to lose out on his payday, but also to make him rage.
How much exactly do you have?
Well, you told me before that I was going to send two parcels, one with $45,000 for taxes for the first check, and then another for $55,000 for the other. Is this not my rep?
Okay. All right. So, do you have a pen and a paper?
I mean, I guess.
Do you?
All right, so he's calling back. Sorry.
Yeah, and then because I don't know what else to say here. So you're my Microsoft rep?
Hello?
Oh, I thought that I was sending for the taxes.
We got disconnected?
But I don't,
Right.
okay, so I don't need to talk with that lady? Oh, you are the FTC.
Yeah. Right.
Okay,
I just,
but
I
yeah,
remember
she was telling me
I
to
was
get
the
a
one that
piece of
asked you to
paper
get the
and stuff.
parcels. Yes,
But-
yes.
Yeah, but
Playing
okay.
him so
I
bad.
thought I was talking with the FTC,
Are you hearing? Are you speaking to
that's
me or
fine.
somebody
I'll
else?
go in there. Yeah, you told me to say it's personal. Right.
Listen, honey, are you on another phone?
No, there's no problem. I packed the parcel like you said. The FTC lady was telling me to go to Wells Fargo for some reason.
No,
You're telling me that she doesn't work with you?
Listen. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I understand that she
Hello?
doesn't work with you. I thought that she was FTC.
Hello?
Okay, sir. Yes. No, officer, I understand. I
Darling,
know.
can you hear me?
Okay, I love you too. Bye.
Triplic.
Imagine Warlock, Hell Knight, and Archdemon in one stack. And I bet they're missing only two.
Hello?
Yes, I'm saying we had got disconnected just now.
No, I just got off the phone with my Microsoft rep.
Your Microsoft rep?
Yeah.
That person is lying to you, ma'am. That's what I've been trying to explain.
How are they lying?
Well, first and foremost, we are not your Microsoft rep. They're
Yes,
trying
he
to
is.
steal
He
your
sent me his
money at this
photo. He's
time.
very handsome.
He sent you a photo?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
His
where are you
name
right now?
is, hold on. It's Brad, and then the last name is Pitt.
All right. So here's
Brad
the
Pitt.
address. We have an updated address, which is what I wanted to provide you before the phone disconnected, so we could have it everything processed correctly.
Okay. Wait, hold on. My rep is
All
calling
right.
me. Just give me 1 second. Hold on.
No, don't
My rep is
answer.
calling.
Do not answer. Do not
Hello?
answer.
Ma'am?
Honey.
Yeah, I'm here. I had to put the line on the other hold.
Well, why do you keep going over to another line or something? Is everything okay, sweetie?
Well, yeah, honey. Everything
Honey,
is.
honey.
I'm talking to my publisher's clearinghouse rep.
Listen now, you need to hang up that call.
Where's say? Bumbo clat, I need to hang up the call.
Hang up that call.
To my publisher's clearinghouse rep.
Listen now, you need to hang up that call.
Bumbo clat, you. It's just something in between what we never get shot.
Are you
Comment
hearing
section,
me?
if you get it,
Yeah,
let me know.
hi.
So I'm going to have the address here updated where the parcels will be going to. Do you have something to take the address on?
Well, no, I already have it. There's a gentleman. What is the name? It says 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍
No,
in
that's-
Las Vegas, Nevada.
So I'm going to be...
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't hear you. Can you speak louder?
Yes, can you hear me
Your
now?
phone, I'm muffled,
It's
brother.
a little quiet.
Is it any better?
Just a tad higher.
All right, so I'm going to be providing you with the updated address, okay?
Okay. So who is Billy Currington? Who's Billy Currington out of Nashville, Tennessee?
That was one of our agents, but as I said, it has been updated now. So we were
Okay, so
informed
there's
to
two
give you an
parcels.
address.
So what?
Yo, man, them a dragging a brother. Man, them a bang line in a dog. Night and day in a dog. Yo, the man, them a bang, brother, but some of them are idiot,
It
dog.
has been updated now. So we were
Okay, so
informed
there's
to
two
give you an
parcels.
address.
So what are the two parcels?
So here are the addresses. Are you ready?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm going to be short and sweet here. With regards to these addresses, it can result in one of three things. The first is that we find additional packages going to this address from real victims with real money in it, and we can return it to those scam victims. The second would be that we could find an unknown victim that's money laundering for these scammers. They don't know that they're doing it. They think they're helping somebody, and we can make sure that they're protected and safe. And then the third option is that we actually find money mules that are laundering money for these scammers, and obviously they would get in trouble. Now, once I get the information from the scammer, all bets are off. I can continue to push his buttons and just troll him until he rages.
Okay. Okay.
Hold on, I'm getting another. Hold on 1 second.
No, listen, do not answer any calls. Okay?
Hello, this is Betty.
Hey, sweetie, I'm just checking in to see if, did you do the work yet?
Listen,
Oh, no,
honey.
I've been on the line with this other person.
What do you mean, though? You've been on the phones.
What him say? Bumbo clap, brother, what?
Oh, no, I've been on the
Can't hear
line
me,
with
them
this
go.
other person.
What him say? Bumbo clap, brother, stop fucking my call, no man. What him say?
What do you mean, though? What do you mean, though? You've been on the phone,
Man, what him
sweetie.
say?
This lady keeps calling me, and she's told me to send
Hello?
your parcel somewhere.
Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello? Who's this? Am I on a
Who am I
three-way call?
speaking to?
Wait, three-way call? No, I just went to the other line, darling.
Well, I can hear somebody else talking to me. I told you the hackers had tapped your phone. That's why you have to send this parcel, honey.
Well, I know that. But the lady, she's FTC. She's not a hacker.
Just send the parcel to whoever this thing is, okay? Fine. If you want to break my heart and send the parcel, then go ahead and send the parcel, okay?
Well, no, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that at all. Hello?
I'm pleading.
Yes, hello? Are you here?
I don't know, dude.
Yeah,
Hello?
I'm gonna play them.
Hello? Who is this?
It's the same lady that has just been speaking to you, your FTC rep.
Oh, the hacker?
No, I'm not a hacker. You're getting manipulated. I am not a hacker.
I'm starting to get confused.
I know, and that's what I do. I don't want you to get confused, okay? So first and foremost, I had provided you with the address and the name, Jeffrey.
Yeah, I have that, and then I have the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 guy.
Just, you're not going to use that address. The only one you're going to.
Okay.
And I'm going to stay on the line with you because I don't want that guy to call you again.
All right, well, let me get in the car.
Are you going to head to the UPS now?
You just sent me a text message, and it said, "Hi, this is the female lady from FTC. I am having phone problems. Please make sure to send parcel to, what is this, New Orleans?"
Listen, I'm on the line with you now, all right? I need you to ignore all of this. Up until
I know,
this
but
is
you
done.
just texted me.
No, I didn't text you. I'm on the line with you. Why would I text you? Those are the
Well, I
hackers.
kept hearing the phone buzzing.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Just focus on our conversation. You don't have to focus on that.
It says, "Please focus." Can I turn my talk to text on through my hearing aid so that I can understand what you're saying? So you have to talk, and then it'll translate into text for me so I can read it. So you have to talk kind of slow.
Yes, I could talk a bit slower so you could understand. Are you understanding better?
Okay, my phone says, "Yes, I could talk a bit slower so you could understand as I sound a little bit better. I can't hear you very well, but I am reading the speech to text.
Yes.
Is that okay?"
Yes, that is okay. What I want you to do is ignore all the calls.
Yes, that is okay. What
I want you to ignore all the calls and all the texts that you're getting.
I want you to ignore my calls and all my texts.
No, not my call. All the calls, all the different calls you're getting.
Okay, I will ignore them.
Right.
Right.
So are you at the UPS service now?
I am at FedEx. Do I send the other parcel to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 or Billy Currington?
You're sending both parcels.
You're sending
both parcels to the same address.
Parcels. Both parcels to the same address. You just got a text message.
Yes, as I said, ignore the text messages.
Yes, as I said, ignore my text messages. Okay.
No, not mine. We'll have them sent off, both of them, to Jeffrey.
Who is that? I have written down 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Billy Currington.
Write this down as well.
Write
Jeffrey.
it. Jackfruit.
Jeffrey.
Yo, how can they keep a... What is doing the advert? How can they keep a straight face? How can these guys keep a straight face, bro? Like, I couldn't keep a straight face talking to those guys on the phone. Yo, this is crazy.
Error. It says error. Voice too low. Please speak louder.
Hello?
Sweetie, have you done the work yet?
Darling, can you hear me?
I'm on the line with my FTC rep still.
Listen, I said to do the... Oh my gosh, she hung up.
Boss, now that the check.
I wanted to get Matt from AnyDesk involved in the scam bait call because I thought that it would be good to have another voice to bring some realism, making him the FedEx guy. But on top of that, I knew that Matt could push this guy's buttons and make him even more angry with his improv. We've been working with AnyDesk for quite some time now on many projects, and one of the things we constantly hear from an organizational standpoint is they want to fight cyber fraud and scammers, and they take it very seriously. They've stepped up in a number of ways, whether it's helping scam victims, creating a tech coalition with other tech companies to fight this fraud, or even just being vocal and visible in the scam bait space. If you're in the technology space, look, their software is top notch, and AnyDesk can be really impactful if you're using remote access for work. So give them a shot. Coming soon, they have session queue, USB pass-through, and even user-based management. Now let's get back into the call and get the scammer a little bit more upset. I'm gonna have you be the FedEx guy. We'll be like, so somebody called that's your benefactor, and he told me that you were gonna come in and you're trying to send a parcel somewhere else, but you need to send it to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Yeah, so I'm in here, but
Yes.
so
Can you
I
hear
think
me?
that, so sir, can you please help me with this? So I have this parcel here. I need to send both of these to this address.
So you said the Xiying address, ma'am. That's
No,
It's 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. How do you know that name?
Listen, that's the wrong
I
address.
had the benefactor of yours call in about 15 minutes ago. Said you were going to be coming by. They needed to change the address to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Listen,
It sounded
darling,
like I thought it was your
hello?
grandson. You said it was your grandson, and then this is a payment for his college books. or
Bumbo
something
clock,
like that.
brother. No, Lord, to girl, mama chat him, no, brother, stop call bumbo clock.
Okay, so no, but so I'm on the phone. So here's the issue. I'm getting confused. So
Yo, G chip, I want to go your
Oh, no.
fuck. Yo, the G chip, brother. The man can't hold it. Watch
Oh,
out.
no, listen, that's the wrong
I
address.
had the benefactor of yours call in about 15 minutes ago. Said you were going to be coming by. They needed to change the address to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐶𝐓.
Listen,
It sounded
darling,
like I thought it was your
hello?
grandson. You said it was your grandson, and then this is a payment for his college books. or
Bumbo
something like
clock,
that.
brother. No, Lord, to girl, mama chat him, no, brother, stop call bumbo clock.
okay, so no, but so I'm on the phone. So here's the issue. I'm getting confused. So I haven't taken the
Listen.
test today. So I'm on the phone with actually she's the publisher's
Hello?
clearinghouse.
Hello?
So you're saying my Microsoft rep called?
Hello,
They
girl, I'm
said it was
chatting.
Hello?
your
Big woman, brother.
grandson, man. They'd spoken to somebody. I don't know if I don't know who it was. I don't know all the details. They just said you
I
were
am
shipping him money for
white
his
batty boy.
school
I who
books.
them white boy. I
Okay,
who them
so
bumbo
I will
clock.
send.
Oh, them batty boy. Oh, what boy?
White batty boy. I who them white boy. I
Okay,
who them
so
bumbo
I will
clock.
send that if need be. There's a lady that keeps calling me saying I have to go to the bank. But do I send this?
Now,
Wait,
Ma'am,
Bumbo
it looks
clock.
like
Listen to what I'm
your
saying.
phone's vibrating.
Listen
I
to
think
what
that's
I'm
Okay, well, hold on. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, are
Is
you hearing?
somebody on the phone?
Are you hearing me?
Yeah. Will you talk to the gentleman from FedEx?
No,
All right, hold
listen.
on. Sir, can you talk to my publisher's clearinghouse rep?
Yeah, this is Dave Smith at FedEx. This woman
Honey,
seems rather
honey.
confused. Are you her grandson or granddaughter or?
Yes, I'm on her.
She's my publisher's clearinghouse rep.
Oh wait, so but okay, so I'm a little confused. Okay, so I got a phone number. I would say I got a phone call maybe 10 minutes ago.
He's played the part
from,
good.
I think it was her grandson saying that she was going to come in with packages that was money for her
Right,
books.
right.
Yeah, for books
So what we
for her
wanted to do was
grandson.
update the
And-
address.
Update
Right,
the
we
address.
wanted
So
to
what
have
for
the
her
address.
grandson? I'm a little confused because
Right.
Yeah, but
You wanna
what's
have
the
the address.
passcode? There's supposed to be a passcode?
I don't know, man. I just spoke with
Listen,
your
are you guys hearing me?
grandson.
Are you guys hearing me? Are you guys hearing me?
Yes. Sorry, ma'am. Yes,
All
I
right.
can hear you.
The only thing we want to do is update the address.
So update the address to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐶𝐓. Okay,
Oh,
I have
listen,
that.
I have the address here to provide you. There's a lot of confusion. The name,
Boss,
first
nah,
and
give up, you know.
foremost, is Jeffrey.
Yo, I know. Yo, the dragon life hard, brother. We never go on people like this. The man not give up, bro. The man not give up. Him not say him a get played all now in a dog. Like that the most craziest part, dog. Like, let's continue.
Beijing. I have the one in Vegas.
I need you guys
I
to
originally
listen
had
to
one
me,
in
Your man said listen to me,
Tennessee,
Def.
but I was told that I needed to change.
Yeah, that's Billy Currington.
Okay, yeah,
No,
so I
listen,
had
I need you
Billy
guys to
Currington.
listen.
I
Can
had
you
Billy
guys
Currington
listen?
originally, and then
Hello?
your grandson called and said, "Queez, I'm just confused. Look, I don't
Can
make
you
enough for
guys
this. Dude. I'm
listen,
getting
please?
paid minimum wage."
Hello?
Sorry.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So I'm trying to have the addresses updated, but you guys aren't
Updated,
listening.
not upgraded.
So I'm trying to have the addresses updated, but
Yeah,
you guys
updated.
aren't listening to me.
I'm confused because
Yeah.
you said that you just moved and you moved again within the span of 15 minutes. Can we just call the other number? This isn't the number that I got to call for. Also, why are there words popping up on your screen? I can't.
Because I have text to talk.
I have the address here. Can you guys take the address?
I have the address here. Can
That's
you
the
guys
wrong
get
address.
the
That's the
address?
wrong address.
That's the
That's what
wrong
I'm explaining.
address. My name is
All right. So,
Beijing.
are you listening, sir?
It's not sir, it's ma'am.
No. I'm talking about the FedEx rep that's here with
What's
us.
your name, sir?
Dave Smith.
Dave
Right.
Smith is his name. Dave, this is Zhang, my Microsoft rep. Let me get her on the
Right.
phone.
So I'm going to give you the address. The address. The correct address now.
Current address now.
Yeah. So it's
Yeah. So
1221.
1, 2. Yeah, okay. Queejing, when we spoke on the phone, you sounded different. You were louder. Can you I don't know if maybe something is you're out of connection, but when we spoke earlier and you gave me that address in Tennessee, I could understand you.
Now, can you hear me?
Have you thought about turning up the volume on your phone? Did you check if the volume on your phone was up?
Yeah, it's at my volume's at 100. It feels like I can't push the button.
So you guys
higher.
still can't hear me well?
Yeah, it's almost there. It needs a little bit louder.
Yo, the boss now let go come here say 50,000 US.
Okay.
Okay, let me check. Ma'am, your phone volume was only at 40%.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's my
All right.
fault.
So can you hear me good now, sir?
Yeah. No, it's not sir. It's ma'am.
Yeah. No, I know you're a man. You're a sweetheart. I'm talking about.
Oh my gosh.
That was great.
That was fun. So after the call was over, I texted back and forth with the scammer, and I wanted to get back on the phone with him, but
Let me see what they say.
So after the call was over,
Okay, so it says on your speak to the wrong person, send it to Jeffrey. Then we see something blurred out. This is Mitchell. Please give me a call back so when you can take care of your business and turn over your millions today. And he says, Mitchell, are you there? Yes, give me a call. Call me, honey. I tried to call you. Are you around? Please call me now, honey. I'm here. Call me, please.
I texted back and forth with the scammer, and I wanted to get back on the phone with him, but every time I
No, I didn't. Aren't you receiving my calls? Are you at home, honey? I'm not. I haven't gotten a call from you. Can you call me tomorrow morning? I can go FedEx then. Listen, I don't think we can conduct our business safe with the other. I don't think I can conduct our business safe with the phone you're using now. Do you have a number so I can call you on? I'm calling now. We're just talking with you, honey. We can have things done after. Okay. Honey, can you answer me now? This whole process is being placed in jeopardy. Please call me now or answer me. Yo, the man, stop calling, brother. This is August 21st, 6:21 p.m. Yo, the man, on the call.
called and went straight to voicemail. I can only assume that he's probably blocked me and doesn't want to talk anymore. Now, the good thing though is we do have the Havala address. We've given that over to law enforcement. They're currently investigating to see if it was a victim, there's other parcels, or possibly there's a money launderer on the other side of that address. This has been Pierogi with Scammer Payback, saying don't get scammed.
Yeah, pro scammer playback. Big up yourself. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to this one down in the description where you can watch it without me interrupting or whatever. Yo, these scammers out here are persistent with it, bro. Like they're not stopping. What can I say? Man, I ain't got much to say. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Jamaica's worst game.